In industries where failures can mean life or death, AddUp gives you the confidence in part quality to ensure that each and every part is consistent and meets the conformance requirements necessary for mass production. Quality assurance means understanding exactly what's going on in your machine before, during, and after each build. AddUp provides this visibility and peace of mind through a complete suite of monitoring software solutions. Introducing AddUp Dashboards, a clear picture of both real-time and historical process data presented in an easy-to-read view. Dashboards collects and displays data for an unlimited number of machines regardless of their physical location. The software collects data for dozens of process parameters in real time with an alerting system to let operators and engineers know the status of every build. In addition, Dashboards displays a recoat monitoring score with a corresponding visual picture of each layer. All this data offers a clear visibility of each part's quality and, more importantly, consistency to enable scalability. This visibility provides the assurance that your part was printed without stops or errors, the recoating quality was adequate, and the oxygen and humidity levels throughout the build were within tolerances. Dashboards also provides access to a quality report generated by the machine, which shows a summary of the build results. This report offers valuable data regarding the overall health of your machine. The visibility AddUp provides gives users confidence that each part meets quality requirements and is ready for industry. AddUp Dashboards is a robust software collecting and displaying data in real time. This solution is fully customizable to fit the needs of different users, and it can be used across your Industry 4.0 compatible platforms, making AddUp Dashboards your most advanced metal AM control solution.